Hey everyone, today I'm going to show you how to quickly and easily remove green screen using Microsoft Clipchamp editor. So first of all, let me add the videos to the media in Clipchamp. Just drag and drop the videos like this. Next, let's add this video to the timeline. Okay, so this is the video that I'll play inside the green screen. And next, let's take this green screen video and add it right above this video that we just added. Just drop the video like this. Okay, so now if I play this video, this kind of gives a news or breaking news type of theme. And what we want to achieve here is see this other video in this screen. So what we have to do now, select this green screen video, navigate here to effects, open effects, and in the search box type in and find an effect called green screen. Now left click and select this effect. And as you can see now, the green screen has been removed automatically and we're seeing our background video. Now the only thing that we might have to change here is select this video here below and just adjust the size of that video so we have better visibility of what's going on in that video. So basically, let's try and fit the screen like this. Okay, this now looks a lot better. So if I replay the videos, okay, that's not bad. And the last thing that I'll do here is just add this audio file, add it to this video, and this is actually going to give us a news type of theme for this project. So let's replay this video now. Perfect. And that's it, guys. So this is just one of the examples of how you can do a green screen video project using Microsoft Clipchamp. Quick and easy. I hope this was useful. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to like this video, subscribe to the channel, and see you in the next tutorial.